This is Frank United FX. This is a normal weekly outlook on the currency pairs and metals, stock, and the rest of them. So we are starting today with Saver. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also join our Telegram channel. That is where we normally do breakdowns of these pairs. So let's start with Saver. So this is Saver. So last week we saw that Saver broke through the trend line, broke through the second trend line. So it has confirmed a bearish movement. Breaking these two lines, you see that it's going to go bearish. So what I'm expecting from Silver is a correction towards this point, toward the 50% on a drop. It may stop at that 8, it may stop at 50, it may stop anywhere. I'm looking for a correction. Once I see a buy setup, a sell setup in this box, this is my box, and I'll sell down, very down to this 50% here, this very place. And I will sell it to. That is all for silver. So looking at gold, gold have similar something there, similar. There's a similar situation there. Look at it. Of course, the gold has did a correction, very big wave W collection. Whether they will X to come between this place or even let's expand it. It may even come and end in this place. So anywhere that I see a strong setup within this box, I set it to this very point. This $20,437. So that is all for gold. DSY, I expect another move to this very point. This is where I think there's going to be a termination. When you look at this, you can clearly see a wave 1, wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and that's a wave 5 we are expecting. I think wave 5 from here. So once that is done, that is dollar bullish. So we ended. So the same goes here. I just entered this trade this evening. I entered to get this fifth wave, but my take profit is this green line at 0.01.042. That is where I will take a profit because I don't know what's going to happen to be. It may be too sharp, too up movement sharp. So that's about Euro US dollar. So Great Britain US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. So we can see the wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, the triangle. Wave 5 is coming to this trend line. It's coming to this trend line. So that is where I expect it to terminate. So guys, closing your eyes. Okay, this is an AUD, Australian dollar, US dollar. So of course, did the 1, 2, 83 and 84 running flat, and it's coming that ready to come here, but it did not come there. Instead, the market started to do the running flat. When you go down to 1 hour time frame, you can see running flat A, B, C, and it drops that place. That is all for this AUD. So the same goes with his counterpart. The same thing. I wanted to sell it when it comes here, but decided to do another. You do a flat correction, so it's good for sale now. I will be selling it on Monday, not today again. I'll sell it from Monday down. Stop loss maybe somewhere here. Where I sell it down to somewhere here. So that is all for New Zealand, US dollar. US dollar, Swiss francs. Of course, US dollar, Swiss francs is the last wave. When you start from the up, you see the 1, you see the 2, you see the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for wave 3. So wave 4 is here. So wave 5 now is here. So the last wave of wave 5, the last is coming to do the last movement. It may come up above here, but I expect to end here. When that is done, there we'll see another correction. Another correction from there down. See a correction from there down to here. That is all for yes shift. I think I'm jumping something. Okay. Okay. This is the guy I uploaded in my Telegram channel. That's why I asked you guys to join Telegram channel. I will put it there for sale and a buy. So you can see that it is sold. So what I'm looking for a buy. I'm not good at selling pairs. I'm a bullish trader. So these sales, I'm not likely to take them. But what I will not miss is this buy to this very point. After this, it may pass there and come up here. But here is my own target first. When it hits here, then I can know what's happening before I can buy again. So you can see it break a little bit and it's trying to form an rejection bar, rejection candle. So this breaking may be a fake breakout. So don't look at it and start selling. You're looking at the structure, you can see A, B, and C. A, B, C. So I will look for buy setup and then buy from there. The same goes with this Australian dollar Japanese yen. You can see that already. I'm ready to come here, but it break through. So this breakthrough may be a false breakout. A false breakout. So don't try to sell it continuously. You may get burned. What I'm looking for, what size C, a buy setup, I'm buying it to this very place. This is my target. But I first of all take the profit here. I will take profit in between. I will take profit around here, around 103. I will take profit there before any other movement. That is all for this guy. With that iron, you can see the channel. The user did not break the channel. He trade accordingly. Expected it come up to do 3 and it dropped 4. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. You can see that did 3 here and then drop speedily to do the fourth wave. It drops so speedily to do the fourth wave. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction, an up move. I'm expecting an up move, which will come here. You're going to drop a little bit again because you have not touched. May drop a little bit again before up move. So that is all. But it's going to up move to this very point. Then that is where I will no longer buy. I will watch and look and see what is happening before I know what to do. So this guy, I was expecting a triangle before, but looking at it, it turned back to become a zigzag. It turned back to become a zigzag correction. Turned back to become a zigzag correction. So you no longer a triangle that I'm expecting. This is gray between Japanese yen. So I was expecting a triangle, but it's turned back to become a zigzag. Looking at it, you can see wave A, can see B, can see C. Can you see that? Okay, let me level it for so that you can get to see it clearly. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So you see that, and I see that this C is sitting as 50% retracement Fenerbahce ratio. So what are you expecting? I'm expecting to come up to this very point, 78%. That is where I will take in my profit by next week. So buying it from year to year. Once I see a buy setup, a good candle, rejection candle, a good pattern, then I can buy it and hold it to this very place. That is all for this guy. The same goes with Euro. Euro, Euro, can see Euro, Euro, Japanese yen. So you can see the wave as it come up here. It didn't touch the 51%, so it dropped and did the correction. A, B, C is A. It is triangle correction. One, A, B, C, D, E for B, and then it dropped for C. So far this place is intact. You have not come to break here. I will look for a buy setup and buy it till this very point. This place, this space will be my take profit. This is where I take profit. What is buying is going to be next week. The buying may not be smooth as this falling. It may be something like this, and you keep going gradually until you get there. So you have to be patient with the buying. So once I see a good setup, buy setup here, I will buy without looking back, without a fear. So this is a Great Great Britain, Canada. This is a Great Britain, Canada. You can see either zigzag correction. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So I started to touch this ratio, but it did not touch it. Come here and bounce off. So that is everything that is going to touch it, which is why I have a second option. This second option may be come to play, but the first option may play out most likely. So keep your eyes closed. If you like to trade Britain or not to trade Britain pairs, this can be a very good one for you. Okay, this is a Canada, Euro Canada. So as I explained last week, they're going to drop 50 wave, and they dropped 50 wave, even drop more than I expected. So what I'm expecting now is a correction. When you look at this pair, you see a 5 wave structure up here. So a correction 50%, then another buy that will come up, very huge buy. We're going to fly very high. That is all for this guy. Okay, crude oil. Crude oil already started selling, and yeah, this is wave one. This is wave two. So I expected a drop from here. It will drop here and do some correction, then continue. I would expect it may come here and do some correction, and then continue. So this is the target. This is the target, the first target of that crude oil. It should be the first target. So once it comes here, I'm going to do correction, then it expects another drop. So I think that is all for crude oil. Nasdaq give a very huge correction. So it's a very huge one. I think this is the fifth wave of this Nasdaq, and this is the fourth wave where it ended. So what are we expecting? A correction. A correction at this very junction. So we see a correction here. You may see something like this by next week. An up move and then a drop for a buy. That is what we are expecting for Nasdaq. Nasdaq what? Nasdaq 100 or NAS 100. S&P, the same goes with S&P. A correction is needed before a buy. Okay, these guys already started correcting, ready to come down here, and they come down. So it might as well do some other correction from here to here, then drop again for a buy. So this is what we will see to next week. And that is all for your start. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I told you the other day that I asked those who want to invest in Bitcoin that they should do so. When it was here, I told them Bitcoin is going up to 1800. I can see the arrow. So what are we expecting in Bitcoin? The Bitcoin bullish is not over yet. When you look at this place, you can see that the Bitcoin did a correction, A, B, C, and it's going up again. So I suspect that this up move may not last. It's going to come up here and then another correction like this before a bullish move. That's what I believe that will happen. But sometimes during this extreme bullish time, Bitcoin don't normally obey corrections. It will keep flying, 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 flying. So it is good that it did this correction so that I can get more buyers to come in and scale it up. That is up for Bitcoin. Same goes with Solana. Correction is needed. Either correction need to go one, zero, two. Okay, so that may not come back again. Okay, this is Canada. This Canada has been giving me a nightmare to analyze, but finally I've gotten what it's looking for. This is the one, this is two, this is three, and this is four, and this is the wave five. So I expected it to complete wave five here, and I begin to correct to this very point before another buy. That second buy is going to be very huge and it's going to be very powerful. This guy, I didn't analyze this guy. I didn't analyze this guy. Okay, this is my pair I've been waiting for throughout this week, but he has he refused to sell since because I'm looking at it now. I think he has come to an end of this correction. Why? Because he have touched 50%. See, he touched it two times. Let's see 1 hour time frame. This first one, come back again, push it again, and drop. So once here is taken out, I will be selling it. Some of my account I already sell from here. One of my account I sold from here. And once you break out, I'll add more sales and then target this value point for termination. That is all for Euro, Australian dollar. So Euro, New Zealand, looking at the same thing, come to this value point. Let's sell. So I'm ready to sell below. And this is going to be huge. This is 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ABC. It didn't touch 50%, just touched that 8 and it's selling. And looking at it, the selling is going to be huge. So my take profit on this might be here, this very point. We might take profit. This very point is going to be a very long sell. And it's going to be sweet enough. Great Britain. Wow. So I expected of this guy. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. That's a very long set to break this confirmation line, then a correction, and another set. So I have not entered this one. I'll enter it by Monday. I won't waste time to short it on Monday. It's going to be a very good switch shot at this very point, or this very place. 1:2, 1:2 correct, 1:2 ratio. This is okay. 1:2 ratio, and I'm done. That is all for this guy. Euro, Great Britain, New Zealand, sorry. Great Britain, New Zealand, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they came and did the correction A, B, and C to this 50, this very point. And they started selling. So what are we expecting? Expecting to break through here and come down. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. And all of them are 3 is coming below here. 4 and 5 are coming. So that is all for this Great Britain, New Zealand dollars. So I think, oh, that is all, guys. I wanted to show you something on which pair is that? Which pair is that? That's German indices. I think there's something I discovered there. Saying it's online. I tried to analyze it, but I did not do that very fast. So let me find it. Let me find that. Is it this one? Let me check whether it's this. I find. Oh no, no, this is not that. This is not that. Okay. I will update that in Telegram channel. Don't worry. So I'll not make this video to be long. That is all, guys. Remember, guys, remember to follow my Telegram. Remember to join my Telegram channel. Remember to give this video a thumb like and comment, ask questions, and give a comment on the video. And also to the Telegram channel. If you have any question from next year, I will be dropping a series. The series will be about educational videos in Elliott wave, in trading, and even in ITC. So you're going to expect it next year. For next year, I'll drop in a series. So guys, spread the news around and also tell others. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Bye.